Hello, I'm Ron Pope, President and CEO of the Conversion Pros. I want to make a very exciting announcement here today. As you know, TCP was built as a company for the people. Okay, we have listened to our members and affiliates from day one, which has helped guide the company on its venture of evolution over the last few years. Well, today's announcement is a result of listening to our members and affiliates, as well as our very qualified board of advisors. We feel the time has come to double the amount of time a prospect is able to be on a trial account. All right. So as of Tuesday, April 2nd, 2019, TCP will be increasing the length of our trials from 7 days to 14 days for free. All right. Again, this has come about by way of request from our prospects, our members, affiliates, and our board of advisors. So why would we go to a 14-day free trial over a 7-day free trial? Well, there's actually several different reasons, but let me point out some of the specific ones that you'll notice. Okay, the first one, prospective members have longer to absorb the information, training, and tools available so they can fully experience the true value of our system and make a more educated decision to move forward with TCP. All right, number two, as we continue to expand the size of our programming team, the development of our system quality continues to develop faster and faster as well. It has now reached a point that we no longer feel that a 7-day trial is sufficient time to effectively experience the overall value of TCP. Three, we already have so many valuable pieces to our system, but with future developments now coming out every month, it's extremely important new users get the chance to engage in the system and see how it can effectively, help explode their businesses. Now, there is another change to our trials that I want to bring up here as well. Okay, the way our trials have been working up till now is if someone on a trial decides to pay early, they still do not get to move into full member status until their 7-day trial is officially over. We originally set it up this way because we felt people on a trial would want to get their entire 7 days worth. However, we have actually found through member and prospect feedback is that more people would rather be able to pay during their trial and be immediately upgraded so that they can start taking full advantage of the TCP system rather than waiting until the trial was completed. All right, so with the enhancement to our trial system that we are putting live April 2nd, we will also be allowing for immediate upgrades. Let me explain what that means so we're all clear here. What that means is if someone wants to pay during their trial period, they will get a disclosure letting them know that by paying right now, their trial period will end and their full member benefits will start immediately. Again, this has come by way of an overwhelming number of requests daily for this. All right, most prospective members, once they have decided that they're ready to move forward with TCP, they just want to get started right away. With their unlimited member benefits like unlimited email sends and unlimited capture pages so they can start seeing the results to their businesses. These enhancements are being done for the success of all right? And we feel this is a major step in the right direction. So TCP has listened, guys, and we're taking your advice and we're going to go ahead and extend our trial periods. Now, if you're an affiliate, you should see your residual income start to go up steadily by just giving people more time to take it all in. As I stated at the beginning of this announcement, TCP has been built on feedback from our members, and we're looking for more feedback, guys, from each of our valued members as to what future improvements you want to see us make. If you would like to have a voice in the future developments of TCP, please go to your TCP back office right now, click on Resources, and then click on Contact Us. From here, simply submit a support ticket with your ideas. And I got to tell you, my team and I, we're excited to see your feedback as it will continue to help shape TCP for a very bright future. I want to thank all of you for being such a valued part of the Conversion Pros. We have done so much together in the last 3.5 years, and I'm looking forward to the next 20 years together here. So you guys have a great day and enjoy that 14-day trial that many of you have requested. I'm Ron Pope, President and CEO of the Conversion Pros. Have a good day.